Hello and welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. In today's video, we bring to you a 20-foot small and cozy shipping container cabin in Byron Bay, New South Wales, Australia. Stay tuned to find out more about these modern This beautiful 20-foot small and cozy shipping container house is located midway between Byron Bay and Suffolk Park in New South Wales, Australia. The accommodation is nestled among a tropical rainforest, 15 minutes stroll to a beautiful lake and the beach. Large glass doors fold back along the front of the container to flood the space with light and open the home up to the outdoors. Every corner of the container offers beautiful views of the surrounding. It's amazing waking up to the sounds of the birds and views of the beautiful trees every morning and stargaze under the most amazing sky on a clear night on the comfy bed. The interiors are well lit and furnished to provide essential functions with maximum comfort. The living room enjoys plenty of natural sunlight, a cozy sofa, a beautiful floor mat, a cupboard, and pieces of artwork and accessories to add a pop of color to the interiors. The container's metal siding remains as the ceiling in the house, giving the space an industrial feel. The ceiling is painted white to make the space appear brighter and lighter, helping to kill that claustrophobic feel of a container box. The entire rear wall in the living room is painted in a dark shade of gray to highlight the main functions of the home. The toilet is a private separate room, while an outdoor bathroom features a bathtub, a rainfall shower head, a sink and a mirror, and is accessed through the deck. The home can also be accessed using the back door. There is an amazing outdoor deck which has a grill ideal for outdoor cooking and intimate barbecue dinners during good weather. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible throughout the exterior, which adds to the industrial language of the design. The container walls are painted black to help the cabin blend into the highly forested compound. Treed crown reserve on both the north and eastern sides enhance the appeal and the privacy, as does the beautiful established trees and tropical gardens that are well positioned along the boundaries, giving you your own private forest shipping container home to an abundance of local birds. Everything has been set up for you to enjoy a long, lazy, sunny afternoon outside, including a gas barbecue for sizzling dinners, a hammock for reading amongst the birds, and an outdoor sitting area with amazing red chairs for you to enjoy the first stars in the evening sky. The house has a combination of floor-to-ceiling glass doors and windows for maximum lighting, uninterrupted views, and complete accessibilities. Complete accessibility. The trees around the building help to soften the industrial design of the shipping container. This beautiful home was listed and sold for $1.1 million in November 2019. It is also listed as a guest house on Airbnb, starting at $155 per night. The minimalist artistic interior of this guest retreat is our most outstanding feature of this cabin. Which part of this guest house appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and feel free to subscribe to these and more amazing videos on shipping container living. Bye for now. See you in the next video.